Good day and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, your favorite teacher right here, still on the Xmas thing. Just watch the video as I put you through some of the things that happened to me. That should be yesterday. One of the major things I want to talk about is the way these supermarket people behave these days is crazy. Okay, let me tell you what happened. Yeah, that was yesterday. Yes, I wanted to just buy few things, not even few, just three things. I wanted to buy wash laundry soap and face soap, my facial soap. Then what else did I buy? I think with a tissue paper. Okay, so I just asked the girl. I just gave it to her. I just picked the three things and gave her. She now told me it's 4,500. In my mind, yes, I know that things are hard and expensive. But is it up to 4,500? But because I was in a haste, like I just wanted to like reason and go out. I didn't start checking that receipt. I just paid and left. When I went home, there was really no need for me to check it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And this is my first time of using this face mask, and it's so nice, but it's expensive because someone said for it to be effective, I have to like use it 3 times a week, which is 800. No, my dear. But I'll be using it from time to time. I liked it on my face. It was okay. She was like, and it's very cold. So back to what I was talking about. Then I went home. You know now when you have no reason to check something, there was no need of going through the receipt again. I think it was during evening time. I wanted to I wanted to like use the facial soap I got. And that facial soap is actually 800 naira. Like that's what I normally buy, it 800. So I was thinking, even if it has even if it has the price has increased, even if it's now costly, at least 1,002, highest 1,006. I was not calculating. Even if that soap is 2,000, and this the laundry soap, I don't know, it's a very popular laundry soap, Baby and Me. I know they sell it for 600 naira. How then am I paying 4,000 naira for all these things? 4,000, I think it's even 4,500. And I said, okay, let me look for that receipt. And I looked for it. God, these people are crazy. These people are wicked. These people are mean. If I must say, do you know that this laundry soap I bought, they will put it times 3. Like calculate it, one of the laundry soap, they'll calculate it for the price of 3. The face soap, they'll calculate it for the price of 3. Tissue paper, they even put 4 tissue paper, making it the 4,500. I didn't talk. I didn't open the cream again. I just left it. So this morning, I had a lot to do. I wanted to weave my hair, but I said, no, let me go back there. I went back to them. I was and I met, thank God, it was still the same person that attended to me yesterday. And I told her, please, can I didn't want to see the manager. I wanted to like, talk to her. I told her, see what happened. I bought just a pair, one of the soap, one of the facial soap, one of this. And you people are calculating 3 for me, 4 for me, and 2 for me. And this is not what I bought. She now said, Mao, that why did I not come back there yesterday? And I told her, I told her, I'm not even here to argue. I want to know if it was a mistake on your part. I paid. You're the one that packaged it. So you can't tell me. So before you know, it's some people want to be crazy. She still raising her voice. I asked her, who are you raising your voice at? Are you mad? Like, is something working you? So what I did was I said, okay, no problem. What you do, please help me call your manager. She now said that she won't call the manager. I should leave something that happened yesterday. And I went to do what proof do I have that they didn't give me the complete goods? And I told her, you yourself know you did not give me complete goods, but no problem. Just call your manager. Let me take it off from there. As we were talking, the manager came. I spoke to her. She now said, okay, that I should wait. Let them go through their CCTV. I said, no matter how you want to do it, after they run around, talk to themselves, this small meeting. Then I said that they are very sorry, but they can't refund me, that can I take this? So I said, yes, I will. I will take it in place of soap, yeah. Don't need to refund me, give it to me. Now it's like they gave me 2 extra face cream, 3 or 2 detergents, and 2, I don't know, it's in my room. But I told them, I told them, point out, I'm not coming back to this supermarket The first one you people did was to put extra detergent money for me. I bought one, you put two. I overlooked it because when I had time to go back was weeks later, I just complained. You people apologized. Now for you people to do that means deliberately you people are doing it, and it's wrong. All of us are really, really struggling with economy. Nobody has it easy. So don't feel like you have the need to rip off your customers from their hard-earned money. I know how I struggle to make my money. I don't pick it on the road. Now coming that somebody, you know I'm struggling, you come to take from me in that manner is not nice. No, it's not nice. That's my rant for today. I hope you are having a wonderful festive season. Yes, I'm trying to make the best out of mine. Please do, and always remember that Christ is the reason for the season. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye.